just directing us.
Shadow's gonna get benched, yeah.
What?
Gonna make a substitute in about 30 minutes. It's not a joke.
I'm all getting resetted, bro. This is bullshit.
Ooh.
Why am I on DirectX 12 now, bro? This is...
No, but actually, Shadows, because I already said to him like this was the squad we play with. Like I said yesterday.
That's
Do that emote, Colt?
It's so zesty, but it's so nice.
No, dude. Yeah.
Give me a second then. When I pee.
Yeah.
Damn.
We not here. What's it called again? Let me just make sure I haven't got it.
Let me just. It's called this. Look in the chat. Our party chat.
Hey, man.
Ooh, yeah.
Wow. Wow. Wiggy now. Wow.
Yeah.
Wait a sec.
Dude. Oh. Such a diva. Ooh. Ooh. What's this emote? Why am I flying away? What? Hey ho away. Hey ho. Do.
I've got that dog in me.
I thought they'd be in
Hey, is
game
you
by
in yet or
now.
what?
Man.
Fuck me, this is taking long and I am losing viewers. I've lost 13 since our last game.
Is no one playing it?
Because people are just gonna switch to fucking people that can actually get into it. So. Shame.
What a bunch of fake cunts.
Not exactly family friendly.
Yeah, performance mode off.
It looks
Makes the game
clean.
look really bad.
Really?
He's not in
Like,
game
on,
either.
For this
Performance
map?
mode on, not off.
Oh yeah. Wait, no.
You said performance
Putting
mode
on
on.
performance mode.
I have performance mode on. I was wondering if you switched to direct.
Hey.
It's one shot.
Whoa.
That's how we play.
I can't emote. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Alright.
I wonder what you have
Fuck it,
to,
shut up, right. I'm not gonna die. That's the thing.
how many to?
They already rage quit, boys. Congrats on your first rank win.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
How old are you, my driller?
I'm 22.
What? 22 and you play Fortnite?
Yeah, of course, man.
Do you know this person, Robster?
Guys, it's B.
You're older though, right?
Focus, focus. All B, all B.
One at B.
22.
Flashing B.